There we go. Okay, now this is Arctostaphylos pungens. I actually hope I pronounced that right. I'm not good at the scientific names. But it's also known as point leaf manzanita. This is actually recognized by its leaves because the leaf comes up to a little point. It's a nice little ovate leaf, little palmate veins. Now the manzanita is also recognizable by its red bark. And this red bark actually can come off because it will scale when it dries out. And you can actually have a nice little bit of dry working tinder. Now the part that we're focusing on this plant in particular are these little berries. Now granted, most berries in the desert that you find, because of the water conservation that goes on with the plants, you're going to find that most berries are very little as far as edible substance and a lot of seed. Alright, now before I actually grind up my berries, what I'm going to do is heat up my water. Alright, you can see I got a good amount of the little berries here. Now these are edible. You'll find that there's a lot of seeds in them. Now the seeds, earlier in the year, when you can actually eat these while they're ripe, because this time of the year they're a little dry, which makes it perfect for this. Now all I'm going to do is use my container and my stone and use it just like a mortar and pestle to crush this up. Now these berries can also be ground and used as a meal for nice sweet flatbreads, ash cakes, whatever you want to make with them. And at this point, when you actually grind the seeds up, they're more digestible. Just open up my bandana, make a little basket, and just pour it in. Alright, now with our boiling water, all we do is set these in there and let them steep. Makes a really light, nice little tea. I'll show that to you in just a second. You can see it's a nice little light tea. Now this drink is actually very good for you. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. Oh, that is nice. This would be excellent on a cold morning.